Alright guys, welcome back to Awesome Guy. Today we're going to be going on vacation with these random people. But you know, you gotta fly with some people you don't like sometimes. And never mind, there's no one here. People are trying to come in. But I bought a private jet. There is Froggy. And we have Froggy, Riley, awesome guy. Guess Gigi is always happy. Your husky. Is that from? I have an M1. Oh. No, H11. I thought it said M1. I'm like, the heck? I thought it said M1, as in the gun, like the pistol. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 9775. We are currently flying at an altitude of 3,300 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Wow, thank you for being very helpful, Captain. Feel free to explore the airplane. Nuh-uh. I know this trick. I've played this game before. Just on a different account. That's where you saw me get the badge. I'm gonna check out everyone's names. Husky. Raywee. Now please find your seat. We're about to cross an area of turbulence. Gosh, this isn't my seat! There. Oh gosh, guys, I can feel the bumpies coming on. Everybody, get in your seat! That was pretty funny to watch. Thank you for your cooperation, except for that one guy who went, wee! Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Yum.
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy.
Should I save this? Like, does it restore health? I ate it.
I'm not feeling very well.
Of course you're not.
Wait, the sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo.
And I hate mayo. I'm not allergic to it, but I hate it.
Oh no! Quickly, we need to find your husky's baggage. For medicine, look in the baggage storage above you.
Oh, there's Bub Rush. But where's the husky? Oh, Bub Rush found it. Nice going, Bub Rush. You saved the guy who went wee during the turbulence. He just went. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Wait, what do you say? Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Oh gosh, guys, we've lost energy. We're gonna fall to death. Ah! The plane is gonna crash. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Guys.
Are those snakes?
No snake can get me. Hopefully. That's Bob Rush. The guy who was allergic to mayo. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Okay, guys, that was a meme.
I am the only girl in the game.
The other. Oh, somebody's talking. No more snakes? I'm gonna go back to sleep.
And the snakes are gone. Thank God.
What about that thing that was on the right wing?
And the creature on the wing is also gone.
Somebody said something. Creepy. Wah! Wario. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. The good news is, the power is back up. Yay, we couldn't tell for ourselves. Genius. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. The heck? Take one, quick! Get over your seats. I got one. Take one. I got one. Heavy breathing. Let's go keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Why is oxygen capitalized? Oh, HR. Shut up. Shut up. What is what? What is what? I don't know.
Everybody calm down.
It's the person with a bomb trapped in their chest. Shut up, Froggy. Yeah, because that's a good idea. When you have a bomb, you shove sharp stuff into it. Obviously a clever idea. Well, that person's gonna die. Unless we all die because, bomb. Is there anything in this person's luggage? No. Look, some more luggage. There's my luggage. I found a pair of skeezers. Froggy found a pair of skeezers. Which cable should I cut? The red one or the green one? Where's Froggy? I will cut the red cable. I'm staying it back for when you go up. Run! Bro blew up in front of my face. My brother just died. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them. Though we only Joe now. We should look for them. They're probably gonna be up here in the cabin. Opening your. I need lockpicks. Where's the Don't make cousin. Perfect. For when all that stuff happens, and somebody has bomb strapped to it, just them blows up right in front of your face, and what the heck? Lock, not dip. Not dip, it's locked. Not dip it. Not dip. Captain might be. The captain, you mean. Don't tell me to hurry up. I'm going as fast as I can. I'm not the guy who I'm not the blue hedgehog who runs very fast. Eats lots of chili dogs. Can't say his name for copyright. Not successful enough to get copyright struck. But still, just because. You found the code? Captain, open the door. Okay, Captain, open up. No. Captain! Close it. Close it. Question mark. Oh no, wait, period. Never mind. He got correct punctuation. Three of us. Captain's knocked out. That's not possible. No. Guys, lava's about to start rising.
See you in the afterlife.
Get to high ground. It's the captain is unconscious. Yeah, I already noticed that. NPC awesome guy. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? I'ma fly the plane. I'ma fly it. I'ma fly the plane. The autopilot button, out of all these buttons, which one is the autopilot button? Just clicking everywhere, guys. Click everything and find the button before we die. Guys. Gotta be one of these, right? Nope. How about one of these? The music stopped. Oh. You jinxed us. All we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Knew this was gonna be useful at some point. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Wait, why did I scream hello but say everything else normally? What do you mean? Don't worry, we will get home in no time. Is everyone okay? No. Someone blew up. No, someone blew up. We're not okay. Not okay. Okay, there's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. I do it. Find someone to sit in the co-pilot beside the captain. Okay, my brother. Oh. Okay, everyone, I got this. And I'm out of here.
Transformers Lever 2020 crashes fleeing and we will rule the underworld for eternity.
Yeah. No. 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 Yay.
next time you see me,
Mufasa. It's gone. Oh, I'd love to eat right now. That's not the last time we see him. What did you mean we'll see him? Who cares? Let's get back home now. Why is everything so shaky? I'm about to throw up. New. We survived the airplane. New. Make sure to like and subscribe to Awesome Guy. Like the video, subscribe to Awesome Guy, or else I will kick you in the nuts.